Hey, welcome to Fix It. Today I will show you how to remove sound from a video in CapCut. Let's go. First of all, open up the CapCut app. Let's start a new project. Select the video that you want to remove the sound from. After that, tap on the video in the timeline to select it. What you want to do next is swipe left on these tools at the bottom, and you'll see the volume option. So go ahead and tap volume. Now you have the ability to adjust the volume. So if you want to remove the sound from your video, simply move this slider to 0. Then tap on the check mark at the bottom right to save changes. So now you've successfully removed the sound from the video and muted it. There is another way to remove sound from your video using the CapCut app. Tap on the video to select it. Then swipe these tools at the bottom and then tap Extract Audio. After that, tap on the audio track just like this. Then tap the trash can icon at the bottom to delete the audio track. Thanks for choosing Fix It again. Hopefully I fixed your problem today. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions about the video.